In this video, I will be talking about microwaves. First, we will be seeing how the microwave works. In the next section, we will see what are the things that you might need to consider while buying a new microwave or used microwave. And finally, I'll also give you the demo of the microwave. Like in that demo, I will tell you different parts or components of the microwave and also explain you how to use that. So first of all, let us start with how that works. Normally, traditionally, we cook the food using gas and electricity. But in microwave what happens is that electromagnetic radiations are used to cook the food. So that is the main difference between microwave and other types of cooking. Now let us see what are the things that you might need to consider while buying a new microwave. First thing that you need to consider is body material. Some microwaves are made up of metal and some microwaves are non-metallic. So metal microwaves are normally generally expensive than the non-metallic ones. So that thing you need to consider. And they are also more durable, like for a longer time you can use them. The next thing that you need to consider is control panel. The control panel of some of the microwaves, like cheap microwaves, are very simple, like you have to manually set the time and then it will microwave that for that many minutes or seconds. In a high-end microwave what happens is that they give the settings for different types of cooking, like if you want to cook chicken, if you want to fry fish, or so all these things, there are different settings. We will see in the demo like what kind of settings are there for Samsung microwave. The cost of microwave also depends upon the capacity that is measured in the liters, like the volume of the microwave. Like some microwaves, smaller microwaves are like 20 liter, then 25 liter, 27 liters, like that. And larger microwaves, like bigger microwaves, have the capacity of like 40 liters, 45, 60 liters, like that. If your family is small, then I will recommend that you can go for the microwave with the which is like 27 liters capacity or lesser than that. If your family is bigger, like more than 5 members, then I will recommend that you buy the microwave with 40 liter capacity. The microwave that has got bigger capacity, let's say 40 liter capacity, in that microwave you can put bigger plates. So that is another advantage. Next thing that you need to consider is the power. Some microwaves will have high power, like some microwaves have less power, say starts from 500 watt measured into the watt, and expensive microwaves will generally have higher power, like 1000, 1200, 1500 watts, like that. So higher power means the cost of the microwave will be higher. The main benefit of having the higher power microwave is that food will be cooked in lesser time. Next thing that you need to consider is if the microwave is conventional microwave or the microwave contains the grilling and convection features as well. In the conventional microwave there is no grilling, like you cannot grill the food. If you want to cook the food with a crispy texture, then I will recommend that you go for the microwave that has grill and convection features. Otherwise you can go for the conventional microwave. This grill and convection based microwaves are generally more expensive than conventional microwaves. And finally we will also see the brands that are available in the microwave. So Samsung is there, Sharp is there, LG is there, and there are lots of other brands as well. So brand generally doesn't matter. So whenever you go to purchase any microwave, just check out the reviews of that particular model, and then if the reviews are good and if it has got the features that you need, then you can go ahead and purchase that microwave. Now I'm gonna take you to the kitchen and give you the demo of a typical Samsung microwave. So guys, here is my microwave, Samsung microwave. It is a 40 liter microwave, and I'll just briefly give you the demo of this microwave. So you can see that back here there is a electric power supply cable, and I have attached it to the socket. So the power supply is on, and you can see that right now it is saying 12:05. This is the time right now in Brisbane, Australia. This is the metallic microwave. To open the door you have to press this button at the bottom, and then door will open automatically. So here you can see this is the interior of the microwave. This is the plate, and down there is a ring. So you can see that there is a knob, so your plate should fix in that, and after putting the plate, make sure that the plate can be rotated like this. Always make sure that you use this microwave safe containers while cooking the food, because this is the glass is microwave safe, and there are also lots of other boxes that you can get that are microwave safe. And another thing is, do not close the lid of the boxes, just open the lid and then keep it like that. So now we will see this what are the different settings here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna heat this cup of water for say 1 minute. So just put it in there, close the microwave properly, make sure that power supply is on. To set the time, you can see that there are numbers over here. So just press 2, then press 00. It means that 2 minutes and 0 seconds. Then you have got this start button, so just click on start and then it will start heating. If you want to check in the middle, like before the 2 minutes expire, if you want to check if the food is cooked or water is heated, you can pause it by clicking on this button once, and you can see that right now the time remaining is 1 minute and 47 seconds. So meanwhile you can open this and then check if the food is cooked. If it is not cooked, you can close the door once again and then click on start. So it will start the timer from that point onwards. If you want to stop it, you can stop this one like that, and once again you can click this button and then it will be stopped. There are lots of other buttons over there. So they have got some predefined settings for different types of scenarios. You can check this out, and also they have given this information as well. So healthy cooking, this menu, and they have given different types of uses, like that healthy cooking can be used for broccoli, carrots, green beans. Then meat and poultry section is there. This button is there. There is this meat, poultry button, snack button is there. So the uses of these buttons are given over here, like how you for what purpose you can use this meat, then snack, auto reheat, all these settings are there. I hope this video was useful to you. If it was, hit the like button and share this video with your friends. Also subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching this video.